Top 5 80s cartoons. He-Man and the Masters of the Universe, 1983 to 1985. Filmation produced the series, which ran for 2 seasons and 130 episodes. The protagonist is Prince Adam/He-Man and the antagonist is Skeletor. In the world of Eternia, Prince Adam transforms into the powerful He-Man to defend the land from the evil Skeletor and his army of evil forces. With the help of his friends, He-Man must save the day and restore peace to the kingdom. ThunderCats, 1985 to 1988. Rankin Bass Productions produced the series, which ran for 4 seasons and 130 episodes. The protagonist is Lion-O and the antagonist is Mumm-Ra. The ThunderCats are a group of cat-like creatures from the planet Thundera who must find a new home after their planet is destroyed. Along the way, they are constantly battling against the evil Mumm-Ra and his minions. With the help of their powerful weapons and teamwork, the ThunderCats fight to protect their new home and defeat Mumm-Ra once and for all. G.I. Joe, a real American hero, 1983 to 1986. Marvel Productions produced the series, which ran for 2 seasons and 90 episodes. The protagonist is G.I. Joe Team and the antagonist is Cobra Command. The G.I. Joe Team is a group of elite soldiers who must defend the world from the evil Cobra Command. With their advanced technology and bravery, the team takes on dangerous missions and battles against Cobra to prevent them from taking over the world. Transformers, 1984 to 1987. Hasbro produced the series, which ran for 4 seasons and 98 episodes. The protagonist is Autobots and the antagonist is Decepticons. The Transformers are a group of robots from the planet Cybertron who can transform into different forms. The Autobots, led by Optimus Prime, must protect their new home on Earth from the evil Decepticons who are seeking to conquer the planet. With their powerful abilities and teamwork, the Autobots must save the day and restore peace to the world. The Real Ghostbusters, 1986 to 1991. Dick Entertainment produced the series, which ran for 7 seasons and 140 episodes. The protagonist is the Ghostbusters and the antagonist is various supernatural creatures. The Ghostbusters are a group of paranormal investigators who must capture ghosts and other supernatural creatures that are causing trouble in the city.